That what is a one non-negotiable for you in a partner? It could be any setting, चाहे वो business में हो, चाहे वो work space में हो, चाहे वो romantic setting में हो, चाहे वो friendship में हो. एक non-negotiable एक partner में आपके लिए क्या है?
I think any partner, like a work partner, any partner in any capacity, I think मुझसे ना झूठ बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. Like I think I am okay with knowing if something has gone wrong or some mistake is there or some problem is there. I'm all for problem solving. I'm like, you commit a murder, I'll help you like cover up, you know. But I just feel like I can't handle. I'm not very good at handling people who lie.
Lie.
Yeah.
Okay. What about
Same, honesty.
Same.
Trust and honesty is just non-negotiable.
Yeah, so that's a deal breaker.
In any kind of equation.
Correct.
It just really makes me very angry when people lie to my face and think that I'm stupid enough to believe it.
I think that's the bigger problem.
yeah.
That if people think you're stupid,
Yeah.
Correct.
it's not about the lying also. It's just about you thought that I would.
That
not
I'll fall
understand.
for this shit.
Yeah. I think that's
Correct.
a universal theme.
Right, right. I have a fun segment for you now, which is called "Who would you partner with if you had to?" Who would you partner with if you had to start a bakery?
That could be a dream of mine. Imagine
Diana.
eating
Diana.
every cake in that
तू
bakery.
खा जाएगी तू सब कुछ खा जाएगी. No, she's the wrong person.
No.
Who would I
She
partner?
eats the
I would,
bakes instead
no,
of
I
selling
would
them.
find somebody who's who's completely A at their confectionery game. Like I would do proper research and find somebody. And
Okay.
partner with that person.
Okay. Who would you partner with if you had to open a salon?
I am very like I'm a solopreneur vibe. You know? I'm actually in real life. Like if you leave me to myself, I'm a solopreneur.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would do it on my own.
Okay. Launch a fashion label
That I'll do myself.
yourself.
Yeah, I would love to. It's something that's on my mind and I really want to do it. So, if there's anything I get into, it would be like starting my own fashion line or something.
Interesting. Okay. Start a beauty or skincare brand.
I'll only do it.
Yeah.
Who to partner? I really wanted to partner with my best friend for makeup because she was a makeup artist. She is a
Right.
makeup artist.
Yeah.
Rama Singh was. She's a makeup artist. So, but skin and all that, I'm actually working on something of my own. So I understand that while I would like to play this rapid fire, the fact is not about the genre of the business, but it's also about the actual, the back end of the business. And that you can't do with people who might understand the product, but they might not understand the business behind it.
Right. Is there anybody you would partner with if you had to host a podcast?
Yeah, that's a good one.
To think of a chatterbox. Somebody will. Tamanna!
Yeah.
I was like, you have to think.
She was like waiting. Chatterbox. Who do I know?
There we go, sitting right next to me.
And she's that person who she'll talk and she'll be like, मैं थक गई हूँ अभी तू बात
Can you just please continue this conversation? I'll go to my phone.
Okay. And last one, both of you can answer it collectively. Open a restaurant.
I have a friend who I always wanted to open a restaurant with.
Yeah.
Yeah, but वो नहीं हुआ. We wanted a restaurant and a florist outside. I don't know why. ये बचपन के प्लान है तो कभी पूरे नहीं होते. होने भी नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah. Diana, is there anybody?
It has to be a foodie.
Yeah,
Because
foodie,
otherwise
correct.
there's no joy or fun in
Yeah.
opening a restaurant with somebody who's on a diet permanently.
Yeah.
That's true. It has to be like somebody who's on the same page when it comes to food.
Yeah. How is a female partnership, a female friendship different from any other partnership?
You don't have to explain the obvious. You know, some things are just understood within women. And at least the ones I'm experiencing right now, there's a lot more empathy. There's a lot more understanding within women who bond. And they're happy to like hear your idea of the problem.
Idea of the
yeah,
problem,
it's
correct.
like because there is the problem and then there is the idea of the problem. And what you feel about the problem. So your women are always happy to hear how you feel about it.
Correct.
They're also not like so invested in the problem itself, but your perspective is very important to them.
Yeah, correct. And I also feel that they don't always provide solutions. Like
They're like, you're right. And you're like, yes.
I mean, I honestly think all equations are independent of each other. So a guy and a guy would have their own thing going, and a
Yeah.
girl and a girl would have their own thing going, and
Sure.
they're different in their own ways, and also very similar in their own ways. Actually,
Right.
guys are very much like women in a lot of ways. You know, like I'm talking about guy friendships.
Correct.
They pretend to be cool and all, but actually a lot of boys also sit and gossip and, you know, hang out and chat about
I
other
feel
people
boys
and all.
gossip more with their female friends, and they share.
Yeah,
about
so we
feelings
all
more
have,
than- yeah.
you know, we all have the ability to be like each other in a lot of ways,
Yeah.
and equations are very similar in a lot of ways.
Correct.
So,
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें हमेशा से women have always been taught to or raised or conditioned to compete with each other. Rarely have women been conditioned to collaborate with each other, and that's why you know things like एक औरत की दुश्मन होती है, or
Yeah.
two girls cannot get along, or two actresses cannot get along. I feel
Yeah.
that this is just a perception that has been fed to us, which is not true. And I see you know women actually breaking this cycle now. Do you
Yeah.
agree?
frankly, I feel I've been introduced to this concept only in this industry because I never grew up like that. Like in school, I went on all girls school, and I had a lot of girlfriends, and we never competed. We were all really good friends in a workspace. Now, I've never had a corporate job, so I wouldn't know. But maybe that's a place where maybe women
Yeah.
there's competition within women.
Yeah.
But I have not experienced that, and this concept of two women can't be friends was only introduced to me like when I entered this industry, and you keep hearing people around you
Correct.
say it so much that you end up believing it. But in reality, that's not really happening to me because I'm friends with a lot of other actors who are also women. So I have never really experienced. Of course, I do get a sense that not everybody is inclined to get along with everybody.
Which
but
is fair.
that's
That's
everywhere.
human,
It's
right?
human in
Correct.
any industry, in any space. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's a bit like you're saying. It's fed
It's
to you,
fed.
and you make you're eventually you end up believing it because it's told to you so often.
Yeah, yeah.
See, I have a more basic issue on this thing, which is very simple. That in my head, your work is a different sphere of your life, in the sense that if you are put into, if you're running a race, like actually running a race, I'm saying physically running a race with your best friend, okay, you love her, but when you're running with her in a race, are you going to be like, नहीं मैं स्लो चलती हूँ, तुम फास्ट चलो? नहीं, आप रेस कर रहे हो. आप जब रेस करते हो आप फास्ट ही चाहते हो और आप जीतने की कोशिश करते हो. तो रेस में इसमें मॉरलिटी घुसाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप वो कंपटीशन छोड़ के आप दूसरे आपका फ्रेंडशिप नहीं निभाओगे.
Correct.
आई एम सेइंग इवन इन अ रनिंग रेस.
Yeah.
So in a professional sphere, competing on a professional level is different than wishing bad for somebody. Am I wishing bad for my contemporary कि यार इसकी पिक्चर फेल हो जाए या ये अच्छा ना करे? ये होता है किसी का बुरा सोचना, बुरा करना. बट क्या आप उनके दुख दर्द नहीं बांट सकते या उनके दोस्त नहीं हो सकते? नो, यू कैन बी फ्रेंड्स. एट द सेम टाइम इफ यू आर पुट इनटू एन अरीना वेयर यू हैव टू compete, you will compete because that's your duty there.
Yeah.
So I think there is a confusion between what is friendship. Friendship is not अपने दोस्त को protect करना, ठगना नहीं, and being there for when they need you. But when it is time for competition, that is a different sphere, and you will compete. And there's nothing wrong. I don't want to whitewash this and say that no, I will not compete. I will let my best friend take my role. No, I won't. I'll compete for it.
Yeah.
So I feel like in my head, they have never been morally the same thing. They're two different spheres. So while you can be friends with a competitor, and you can also still be and you can also still compete. Completely like doing your job.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.